Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and get that nasty window tint out of your car guys. We hate window tint and sometimes even old window tint. I hate it because it's that hazy looking thing and you cannot see clearly from your car. So I always remove it guys. We'll show you what we use here at the shop, how we safely remove it and how to easily clean the glue from the window tint guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, you know guys, including this BMW here and every single car, we make at least 200 to 300 repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything. Why? Simply guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, all the tools and parts that we use in our video guys, usually any video, we'll have the links in the description of the video below and we'll share everything that you need for the window tint as well. We're going to use alcohol guys, rubbing alcohol. That's pharmacy alcohol for cleaning. You can find the link in the description of the video below. We'll use a razor, okay, razor blade right here. This is amazing one. And what we're going to do, we'll bring the window down. Now let me show you quick. We have a double tint guys, not one, we have two tints. So what we want to do, we want to try to attempt to remove both of them at the same time. Even if you have a single, it will be easier. Now, it's important guys to start both of them at the same time, okay? Or if your window tint keeps breaking, okay, it's important to start it at one piece. If you can't, move to a different location and start it again. Okay, we're going to bring the window up now. Okay, perfect. I hate that noise. Also guys, we have some glue left now. You can see how dark that thing is. It just, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of window tinting. People like it, I don't. And this one is old anyway, so it has that hazy look, so it's like, it's foggy, you cannot see clearly. We get alcohol guys and we're going to safely clean the window. Now, do not get it on the door panels. Usually it will not damage door panels with some exceptions. If they're leather, sometimes it can fade them as well guys, even if they're not leather, but be careful. Usually alcohol will not damage them, but don't get them wet. What do we do? Okay, we clean the glue really good with the alcohol. Don't use acetone, brake cleaner, anything like that. I've heard people using, which is ridiculous guys. So hopefully guys you'll find the information helpful. After that, after the alcohol, it's important to guys clean your windows normally. Usually use a window cleaner or water, clean them really good so they will not have that whitish film from the alcohol. So you can see guys, pretty much we're done in a few minutes. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.